Yeah, now look at this wind. Holy freaking cow. Oh, there goes our umbrella. Whoa! Holy moly. These are 60 mile-an-hour winds. Oh my gosh. This just started. I'm like being so for real. Holy cow! Look at all the leaves! Holy. Oh, this is bad. Oh. That is 70. That is freaking 70 mile-an-hour winds. Okay, yeah. Oh my gosh! Oh, good. God, good. Oh my God, it's getting cold. Oh, this sounds really bad. Look at that. Oh, I saw lightning. We're not even under anything severe. Look at those trees. Oh my God. Oh, there's more stuff flying. Holy cow. Wait, what's my phone at? 4. Oh no. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my gosh, listen to that. Look at that pine. Oh my. Listen to that. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, it was the chairs that fell. Oh. Yep, immediately. There goes more branches. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh. Look at that raspberry bush. I have never felt wind like that before. Oh! My God! 70. Oh my God. Jeez! That is crazy wind! Oh my. Yeah! Oh my God! Dude, this wind is crazy. Hold on. My phone's about to die and I know it. Oh, my bag's right there. I'm done. Oh, listen to that. Oh, what was that? That wasn't me.
Yeah, it's you running around and doing like...
Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna plug you guys up because, like, yeah, this wind is going all cuckoo kazoo out here right now. Oh my. Yeah, the reason there's nothing on our deck right now is because they actually just pressure washed it. Oh my gosh, I am having a crazy brain fart. Because they just pressure washed it today, and then they're gonna stain it on Friday. Or not Friday. Today's Friday. On Monday. Look at that. This is insane. This isn't even severe one. Oh, well, there's thunder. Whoa. Dude, this one is freaking crazy. On the weather, it said this was gonna pass us. It wasn't even severe warning though, like at all. What's the stuff running down the gutter? Whatever it is, the wind is hitting. My phone should be charging, alright. Oh yeah, it's at 7 already. That's good. Wowzers, that was crazy. Those are probably 60-mile-an-hour winds. Probably. Might be done though. Maybe I spoke a little too soon. Oh wow. Yeah, I spoke too soon. It was all nice and calm today, and now it's just blowing and cloudy. In fact, it was literally just sunny like earlier. OMG. Oh. Holy crap. It is really about to start. Look how dark that looks over there. Look at that. That's scary. Oh my gosh. It is the living heck out here right now. Holy cow. Look at that. Oh boy. Jeez. Oh man. Oh man. This is gonna be crazy. I mean, look at all the way over there. And by the way, I meant that bush over there is a blackberry bush, not a raspberry bush. Yeah, that was a typo. Yeah, it really, really cooled off out here too. I swear to God, I am hearing a crazy roar. Oh, I was right. Oh my good Lord. Look at that! Holy crap! That is garbage. That is straight garbage. Holy! That was a cold gust of air. Look at those maples. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. Oh my gosh. That is big wind. Oh my. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, what the heck? Alright, my phone's at 18 or 19 now. Oh. Oh my god. Wow. God, it is cold. It is so cold. Look at the freaking fence. Oh, look, that plate's right there, huh? Oh! Look at that red maple! I don't think I've ever seen maple trees blow like this. Oh, it is about to get very, very windy. Look at the darkness coming. This might be the next part of this wind. Oh my god! Yeah, I think it is. Look at that garbage. Oh, that's gonna blow. Oh no. Holy moly, look at this. Oh my dang. Oh, look up there. Look at those trees. Wow. Oh. Yeah. There goes that play again. Holy cow! That's maybe 50. Maybe even 40. I don't know. This really looks like 60 maybe. Severe thunderstorm warning in effect for yeah, there it is. Finally, we finally got it. It should be severe warned here too. I mean, look at the way this looks. Oh my gosh. Look at the deck. Dude, the deck was just shaking. Oh my god. Oh, there's lightning detected in my house too. That's not good. Oh my god! Oh, lightning detected here too. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, there it is! There it is, right in there. Wow, this is fast moving. Look at how fast these clouds are moving. Look at those trees. Oh no. Lightning bug. Oh, look at that. Bye bye, trash. Oh, it's coming toward me. So I'm gonna fly over the house. Look at it. Oh, look at it go. Oh, it might go over the house. It's definitely gonna. That is so funny. There it went. Over the house. Oh my gosh. That was a huge gust. Yeah, we're definitely just on the verge of hitting it. Barely, like, look over here. Oh my, yo! Yeah, that was on cam. It's much calmer. The winds are at least blowing 30 to 40 maybe. Maybe 50. Good grief, dude. Oh my God. Where was that bolt? Did y'all see that? I don't know where that was. Yeah, we were on the edge. Yeah, my old house got a severe thunderstorm warning. Oh my gosh. Look at my shirt. Oh. Well, let me go pick up that plate. Oh my gosh, that tree's about to blow. Look at that thing go. Holy cow. What is that? Oh my God. Look at all of that. Oh my God! What the heck? Where did that come from? And yeah, that was interesting. Our AC turned off. Did you hear the deck? Ow. Yeah, there it is. Holy cow! That is probably 40 or 30 mile an hour winds right there. Holy cow, that wind is cold. What was that? That was weird. Excuse me. Oh my gosh! Dude, listen to that! Oh my gosh! This wind, though, is on a whole nother level. Wowzers. Jeez! Oh, look at that tree! That's a pretty truck right there. I saw an ugly truck just a second ago. I said ugly odd truck, man. It's an ugly odd truck, man. It was literally like the darkest pink I had ever seen. I was like, that is an ugly odd truck. And that's exactly what it is, too. Oh my gosh. Hear the storm. Whoa! What the? That was the biggest strike I had ever seen. Dude, that thing was literally that thick in here. Like, it looked that thick. That was huge. Dang. It is not that cold yet.
You what?
It is cold
Where?
outside.
Oh.
That wind is cold. Good thing is, though, it's not that windy anymore. Yes, it is. Dude, you're in your fence? Oh, Lordy Lord. Oops. Listen to the fence. That is concerning. Oh my God. Dude, I'm literally just sitting over here just cleaning my shoe out. Dude, y'all should have saw the fence those few blows. That was crazy. Like, those are some strong winds. Y'all had to have heard that. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's still nasty out. Let's go out in the playground real quick. We're just gonna hang around. Just do something. Because we just missed a crazy storm. Whoa, boy. That didn't happen. That didn't happen. Maybe do something while the breeze is still kicking a bit. Mainly also because it feels really good outside still. It's not hot like it was earlier. It's fun. I haven't done this in like a month and a half at least. Wait, oh my God, my stomach. Oh wow. Oh! This breeze, dang! Oh my! Holy crap! Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm going completely sideways right now. Dude, this breeze is really kicking. Oh my God. Ah! This is my worst fear. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Alright. Dude, I hate that. Don't happen again. Please. If it happens again, I'm gonna fucking turn off. Oh my god. Gosh dang. This breeze. Oh, you guys are on the ground. I'm gonna be like Superman. I'm kidding, I'm not. Sorry about that. Won't happen again, I swear. It definitely won't now. No, no, and no. Holy cow, look at my swing. That's how strong this wind is. Look at that swing. This one is blowing. Oh, don't please stop and spin. I'll only spin like once. Ah! Oh, hi! Whee! No! Ow. Oh my gosh! The wind is messing me up! Oh my! Oh my god, I'm dizzy. Oh, that fixed it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That one made me dizzy. Oh, I'm not. That was fun. I'm gonna do that again. Wait, actually no, let's do it the other way. I just got it. Okay. Oh wait, hang on. Oh, this one might be tricky to do. At least maybe tricky to get onto it. Oh no. Yes! I can't even see if that tree's working. Holy cow. Alright, let's give myself a break. Whew. That was fun. breeze is still kicking. Alright. Come on, swing. Here, wait, hang on. Oh no, it's drizzling a bit. Okay, that's as high as it's gonna get. We're gonna go real fast. Like, I mean real fast. No! Whee! Holy cow! Oh boy, I'm dizzy. Wait. Alright, I need another break. Hold up. Oh, shoot. I couldn't get up there. That's so unfair. Ooh. Just puked a little bit. We're gonna swing in the drizzle. Crows, shut up. Sorry, I was bored. I'd laugh my butt off if I got it to go completely over. Oh, dang it. Dang it. Oh, man. Got it. That's how we're gonna swim now. see who makes it up first. Dang it. They tied that round. Okay, it's back. God, I hate mulch. Get stuck. Wasn't expecting that. Again. This is a race. Who gets up first? Wins. Oh my god! Every time. You know what? Oh, that was terrible. This swing one. Now let's do them both. Now they both win. Technically. Not enough momentum. Back over. Oh wait, I was doing it correctly. Dumb. Back on over. Back on over. I'm good at this. Especially since to start. Ah, none of them won. Who will win? Oh, he's the winner. We got a winner. Oh wow, this swing is losing it. Back over. All right, y'all. Who's the winner? Oh! Y'all competing, aren't you? Y'all saw that, right? I know these things don't have feelings, but like, come on, we're gonna see the winners. He's the winner, dinner. Oh wait, what am I saying? I just had the worst brain fart ever. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh, foul. That was a foul. Who's our winner? 3, 2, 1. Oh, we got one winner. Actually, no. You know what? This guy won't count because he kind of like stalled. Who's our winner today? Actually, let's see which one of these guys is the baby ones. Let's see if these are suitable. Yeah, none of these are suitable. These aren't suitable for that. At least I don't think. Yeah, those aren't suitable. Only these are suitable, and we have one Hey! Kind of. Everybody step back. Okay, guys. The wind is not technically done, so I'm going to be done for now. Bye.